Got some new stuff today, so we're in the tent with the miter saw because we are starting a big crown molding job, and always been wanting to buy these upgraded fences, so they finally arrived in the mail. We're going to install them and recalibrate the saw. These are pretty cool. They're a lot bigger than the stock fences, height-wise. They're a lot bigger. But what makes them really nice is they have these crown stops go in and hold the crown molding when you're cutting it in place, which we'll show when we start this crown. We're going to shoot a lot of video on how you install crown molding. But today we're going to focus on the saw. So let's get these installed and see where we stand. The first things first, we're taking a machinist square, making sure that the new fence is square to the table. And we are looking really good. The next thing we're going to check is the saw cutting perfectly 90 degrees when you lay something flat. So to do that, we're going to do a quick little test. We're going to cut this in half, and when you flip it over, if the joint's not perfect, then you have a calibration problem. All right, let's see what we got. So what I'm seeing is the tiniest little gap right here in the front. So that means we need to calibrate the saw. That probably happened when we dropped this thing. What do you think? That looks pretty darn good. That's pretty good. So what we're going to do is the 4-cut test, just to really verify. We're going to cut every edge.